I think nabili ko to $895. 800
Wait, what? Are you
895.
serious?
Yeah.
For that?
Yeah. LV to! LV!
You can't even fit your phone in there. You spent that much?
Yeah.
What the? Wow, that's crazy.
Hello guys! Maayong gabi. Good evening. Na-receive ko na yung order ko. Nag-order ako ng bag. Mag-unboxing. Ano magano? I-ano mo yun ha, i-edit. Ito po yung order ko. Hindi po ako nakatulog nito, grabe. Magano nga to? Yung bilis. So, ay, putik.
Supposed to be delivered yesterday.
Yeah, so, dapat ma-deliver to kahapon. Pero, nagkamali ako sa address. So, ano ko na lang. Actually, ni-open ko na to. Super excited kasi. So, na-order ko to online. So, dapat, ano to, anong tawag nito? I-deliver sana to kahapon. Pero, nagkamali ako sa address. So, ano na lang namin i-pick up. Kanina. So, oh my goodness. Hindi talaga ako makatulog nito. Pero, shoot. Di ako makatulog kasi favorite ko ng bag to. But, grabe. Super liit. Even my phone, di ma-fit sa sa bag. Look. LV. Oh my goodness. I really love this bag. I think nabili ko to $895. 800.
Wait, what?
895.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
For that?
Yeah. LV to! LV!
You can't even fit your phone in there. You spent that much?
Yeah.
What the? Wow, that's crazy.
Tapos may ano din siya, may ano siya, certified. Ano talaga siya, legit na, totoo. Di siya ma-fit sa phone ko. Kunin ko yung phone ko. Kasi sobrang laki ng phone ko. Nakakainis. So, hindi talaga siya ma-fit. Nakakainis talaga. Sobrang ito lang yung ma-fit. Yung face na wallet. Super nice talaga siya. Oh my goodness. Bahala mahal siya. Okay lang guys. Bili na kayo. $895 for ito na kaliit. Oh my goodness. Ang laki ng phone ko. But okay lang siya. Kasi investment man to. Diba? Honey?
Keep telling yourself that.
Why? So this is $895, guys. It's so cute. I still have one more Prada. The Prada one is more expensive, but I don't know if it's like, it's which is bigger. I think this is the smaller one than compared to Prada. I don't know yet because hindi pa siya dumating dito. Dadating siya, pipick upin namin Monday, but the Prada one is more expensive. I think it's $950. But it's okay kasi work lang para makabili ng mga nice bags. Hindi man siya it's fine lang mahal kasi matagal siyang masira. Pag fake kasi madali siyang masira, tapos we don't wanna ayaw natin ng fake, guys. So may siya dito, may code dito sa gilid. Basta sobrang nice talaga siya.
It's real, yeah?
Uy, bakit ka ganyan?
It's expensive.
Oo nga, but it's nice. Iba siya. Han, iba. Hindi siya fake. Tapos, ano ilang bag ko na to na LV? Wait. One, the big one, the two,
Satchel.
so 3, 4. Yeah. Ang apat ko na to na LV. But this is my fave. Sa ngayon, ito yung fave ko. Let's see pag dadating yung Prada. Yung Prada cute din, but oh my goodness. Honey, ba't ganun ka makatingin? Hindi kaya ako always nagbili ng mga mabibinta kaya to.
Are you ever gonna sell it? No.
I mean, nagkukulik ako ngayon ng mga LV and Prada. Besides mga alahas. So, oh my God, guys. Anong pangalan? Nakalimutan ko. Mini Tamir? Parang how do we, dito? Ano siya, honey? Limited edition. Mahirapan kang maghanap nito, honey.
Just like the stuff we sell on Kellen Hawaii, right?
Yeah, even one of my friends, she's asking me where I ordered this because it's really hard to find this one. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this bag. But by the time na pick up namin, I'm not so happy because I feel so bad because hindi siya mag-fit. So I need to buy small. Babili naman ako ng maliit na phone para ma-fit. Yung iPhone 12 mini, right? Yeah, but it's okay, guys. It's worth it. How much in the Philippine money, honey, for 895?
I don't know. Too much.
Tek. Hindi ko kasi sinasabi niya na magkano yung bag. Actually, he asked me, how much the bag? I was like, I didn't answer, yeah? I keep saying lower. 895 times 50. It's $44,750 US. I mean, not bad. You know how much
US
this?
dollar?
Oh, no, peso. 44,750 peso. You know, yung iba, mahal to sa iba. Ano to siya? 50 to 70,000. Honey, not bad, honey. So, ayun lang, guys. Gusto ko lang i-flex yung bagong baby. Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. As in, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Kasi, maliit. Ayaw ko na sa mga malalaki. Yung mga bag ko na LV, so, mga malaki sila. Pero ito, sobrang niya. Sobrang cute niya. Wallet lang, tsaka phone. It's na siya. Okay na siya. So, guys, yun lang. Bye-bye. Honey, off mo na.